everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can log in into the Discord account in the desktop or in the laptop. So for that, first of all, open the Google browser on your desktop, then open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in discord.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of Discord. Once you're at the official web page, you can click on the login on the top right. It will direct you to the login page. Now to log in, you need to provide either your email address or the phone number. We're gonna go with the email process. So type in the email address. And below you provide the password. And then click on login. This will get you logged in into the Discord account of yours. Here's your Discord home screen. So this is how you can log in Discord in the desktop or in your laptop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.